Hello to all traders and welcome back to another market review brought to you by Orbex. So we're looking at indices today after the S&P is clawing its way back into testing record highs for a second consecutive time. We saw a big rejection a few weeks ago before we had more of an upturn in the last couple of trading sessions. So is this the time that the S&P is going to hit another record high? If we look back to when Donald Trump was in power, in the White House, we saw move after move of record highs for the S&P. Then Joe Biden took over. We thought it was going to have a bit of a dip, but since then we've seen more and more of a push on the S&P in particular. The Dow and the Nasdaq as well, we can't forget them. The Dow has had a little bit of a downturn in the last couple of trading sessions due to Boeing having quite a lot of its stock price dropped after another incident on one of its aircraft. The Nasdaq is chipping higher as well, but we'll get into all them shortly. First of all, just want to start on the S&P. Looking at the daily chart, as I said, it is just trying to claw its way back after quite a positive session yesterday. We're kicking off the week, obviously we're in the middle of the week now, but we were kicking off the week quite bullish. Three nice bullish candlesticks there on the daily chart, really starting to move towards the 4800 handle, and this would kick in another record high. So not really that far to go, but does it have the legs to carry on and keep on pushing higher? We'll have to wait and see, but very, very exciting times. Looking on the 4-hour chart as well, we're just seeing now, this gives us more of a stronger look because as you can see here, we had this strong rejection just below 4800 before losing quite a few hundred points. But since then, this V-shaped recovery that's been coming a little bit higher has started to really come into play now. So what's really causing this uptick in the indices? Well, we've had quite good positivity coming out of the Fed saying that they will no longer have any more rate hikes. We possibly have hit a terminal rate, but will we have more of a decrease in these rate hikes? Possibly not until the second half of this year, but it is a good starting point as well. But no divergences on the RSI as well, so this is really starting to see that these big movements in the market are really starting to take shape as well. Just looking on the Dow, so the Dow has actually, as I said, it's had a very good few weeks of the year, but a couple of weeks since the beginning of the year, sorry, but since then we've had this kind of consolidation. As I said, Boeing has really hampered the movement to the upside, but it hasn't really stopped bulls from moving in as well. So with the indices in general, we're just waiting to see where the next move is and where we can expect another shift to the upside possibly. But you know, AI stocks this year, the big FANG stocks, Apple, Google, Alphabet, etc. You know, we have Alphabet releasing some software, some hardware next month. That's seen Apple starting to rise even further, really starting to push these indices up. Obviously, you have the other big cap names that are making up the indices that don't look like slowing down anytime soon. So with earnings season approaching as well, we are going to probably see another push high. But how high can we go? Well, we're looking at the 38,000 area for the Dow. This will be quite a big push for the indices because we're just seeing now that it is possible. We have kicked off the year in the right note and it can keep on pushing in that direction as well. Just looking on the 4-hour chart as well, as I said, we don't really see a slowdown at the moment. It's just more of a consolidation period, but Boeing, as I said, is one of the leading causes that we have had a bit of a slowdown on the Dow. But you know, if that doesn't hamper the Dow too much, then we could possibly continue in this mid-channel, slightly bullish channel, and then we'll probably keep on moving a little bit higher as well. So let me know what you think. Are you trading indices? Are you getting ready for earnings season? And what are the big stocks and big mega caps that you'll be looking at and trading as well? Let me know what you think. We'll post this video as usual on our YouTube and Telegram channels, so feel free to like and leave us a comment and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Until then, speak to you next time. Bye for now.